Hello, this is ChoWorld. Today we will take an overall look at the companies to watch in 2025 as investigated by Bloomberg. This is the first session. Deco is a leading company providing global workforce and recruitment services. Its current market capitalization is $450 million, and the CEO is Dennis Mahol. In 2025, revenue is expected to increase by 2% to $2.5 billion. Although earnings have declined over the past 3 years, electoral clarity, low inflation, and falling interest rates are expected to boost confidence and increase demand for labor. 75% of total revenue is generated through the placement of temporary workers. Stuart Gordon Advanced Info Service is the largest mobile communication service provider in Thailand. Its market capitalization is $2.4 billion, and the CEO is Somchai Lertsudiwong. In 2025, revenue is expected to increase by 3% to $630 million. The Thai telecom is likely to see higher than expected earnings by shifting mobile users, higher-priced packages, and reducing unprofitable low-cost plans. Additionally, roaming revenue is expected to increase due to the growth of Thai tourism. Chris Muckensturm Airbus is a European leading aircraft manufacturing and aerospace technology company. The market capitalization is $12 billion, and the chief executive officer is Guillaume Faury. Revenue in 2025 is expected to reach $8 billion, increasing by 10%. Airbus plans to boost revenue and cash flow by increasing production of its best-selling A320. Boeing's difficulties provide an opportunity to strengthen relationships with key suppliers. George Ferguson AstraZeneca is a global pharmaceutical company focused on developing innovative medicines. The market capitalization is $21 billion, and the chief executive officer is Pascal Soriot. Revenue in 2025 is expected to reach $5.7 billion, increasing by 8%. In 2025, clinical trial data for new cancer and respiratory therapies are expected to draw attention, highlighting AstraZeneca's potential for sales growth, while slowing growth in China's business and insurance fraud investigations may affect conservative management guidance, global exposure, and a robust new drug pipeline suggest the potential for moderate revenue growth. John Murphy Bank OZK is a regional bank headquartered in Arkansas, USA, primarily focused on mortgage lending. The market capitalization is $560 million, and the chief executive officer is George Gleason. Revenue in 2025 is expected to remain unchanged at $17 million. Easing of interest rates by the Federal Reserve has led to margin compression and slower loan growth. Most of Bank OZK's loans are tied to variable interest rates, making them likely to be repriced when rates decline. Its cost structure, reliant on fixed-rate deposit instruments, may lead to higher expenses. Herman Chan Broadcom is a global leader in semiconductors and infrastructure software. The market capitalization is $77.7 billion, and the chief executive officer is Hock Tan. Revenue in 2025 is expected to reach $6.2 billion, increasing by 16%. Broadcom, offering a unique combination of advanced semiconductors and infrastructure software, is one of the major suppliers of semiconductors used in advanced networks, connecting AI computers, data centers. It is also growing its business selling custom AI chips to Google and Meta platforms. Kunjen Sofani Cadence Design is a leading provider of semiconductor design and analysis software. The market capitalization is $8.5 billion, and the chief executive officer is Anirudh Began. Revenue in 2025 is expected to reach $530 million, increasing by 30%. Cadence, which provides the software and hardware used by semiconductor manufacturers to design and analyze chips, is expected to increase revenue through high-price sales of AI-enabled tools. It currently sells its product lineup to 19 major semiconductor companies and is receiving initial orders from major players like NVIDIA and Samsung Electronics for its latest tools released in Neeraj Patel. China Hongqiao is China's largest aluminum producer, supplying aluminum products to the global market. The market capitalization is USD 1.4 billion, and the chief executive officer is Zhang Bo. Revenue in 2025 is expected to reach USD 2.1 billion, increasing by 3%. The cost of alumina, a key raw material for aluminum, is expected to decline as new supply sources come online. China's economic stimulus and push for green infrastructure will support demand for metals that can be relatively easily recycled. Hongqiao is also diversifying into the Guinea project, which holds the world's largest and highest-grade iron ore deposits. Michelle Loan. CIC Securities is China's largest comprehensive securities firm, offering a wide range of financial services. The market capitalization is USD 5.7 billion, and the chief executive officer is Zhang Yujun. Revenue in 2025 is expected to reach USD 1 billion, increasing by 14%. China's largest securities firm is expected to see increased profits due to Beijing's drive for greater stock market liquidity, and it may be one of the 2 or 3 companies allowed by regulators to expand overseas. CIC Securities' Hong Kong subsidiary CLSA is expected to see accelerating demand for overseas asset management products through multiple regulatory approval systems. An increase in IPOs on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange is also anticipated. Sharni Wang. Colgate is a global manufacturer of household and personal hygiene products. The market capitalization is USD 7.8 billion, and the chief executive officer is Noel Wallace. Revenue in 2025 is expected to reach USD 2.1 billion, increasing by 3%. Colgate, a manufacturer of toothpaste and other consumer goods, is finding it increasingly difficult to meet the growth targets set by management. Despite strong results reported in early 2024, a sharp decline in North American sales in the third quarter negatively impacts the outlook for 2025. The current downward trend offsets the long-term expansion opportunity of Hill's premium pet food, which currently accounts for only 5% of the company's target market in the U.S. Diana Gomes. Emerson Electric is a global industrial company that provides electrical and automation solutions. The market capitalization is USD 7.6 billion, and the chief executive officer is Lal Karsan Bai. Revenue in 2025 is expected to reach USD 1.8 billion, increasing by 5%. By completing the acquisition of Aspen Tech, Emerson has enhanced its industrial automation software offerings and can reduce costs. The 3%-5% total revenue growth guidance for 2025 seems overly conservative, and there is potential upside from increased spending on factories and infrastructure projects in the U.S. A potential divestiture of Emerson's tools business could support larger share buybacks. Karen Ubelhart and Mustafa Okur. Essex Property is a California-based real estate REIT that manages apartments and commercial properties. The market capitalization is USD 2 billion, and the chief executive officer is Angela Kleiman. Revenue in 2025 is expected to reach USD 1880 million, increasing by 4%. The California real estate REIT's apartment assets are expected to generate revenues exceeding analysts' and investors' expectations due to rent growth. Essex's West Coast markets will likely outperform Sun Belt growth through 2025 due to tight housing supply and solid demand. Jeff Langbaum. Estee Lauder is a global manufacturer of cosmetics and skincare products. The market capitalization is USD 2.6 billion, and the chief executive officer is Stéphane de la Faverie. Revenue in 2025 is expected to reach USD 1.5 billion, increasing by 5%. Estee Lauder's plan to reunite profitability is being delayed. With the new CEO Stéphane de la Faverie taking office in January, more aggressive action